Decker 8-cup food processor. Slice, chop, shred, and grate all your favorites. A stainless steel slicing and shredding disc, as well as a stainless steel chopping blade, create powerful performance. 450 watts of power help handle the tough tasks. An electronic touchpad is easy to use and easy to clean. With stainless steel blades and a 450-watt motor, you won't need more than a gentle touch to process even the toughest ingredients. Removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The Black & Decker 8-cup food processor helps you create your kitchen concoctions skillfully.
It is a convenient and stylish lunchbox that is perfect for on-the-go, tasty, hot homemade food for adults or children. This lunchbox is made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel and offers superior temperature control with vacuum-sealed insulation. It is also leak and spill-proof, so you don't have to worry if you're taking soup or anything that is saucy or liquid that might be considered to spill. This lunchbox will keep everything contained for you. Be sure all components are dry before reassembling, and keep an eye out for that silicone valve. This is what seals the lunchbox.